I've got one more that's got multiple turning points. All right, let's do one more. Okay, I'm going to say that y equals x squared minus x cubed. What do I do first? Derive it. dy dx is... Okay, sure, we can say it either way around. Okay, it doesn't matter which way around you write it. It's completely fine, right? I've just derived it in that order. You can flip it around. It makes no difference. All right, what should I do next? Okay, I need to find my two turning points. So I'm going to take this and do what with it? Make it equal 0. So I have 2x minus 3x squared. So what do? Take common factors, 2 minus 3x. So then x is 3 over 2. Okay. So 0 and 3/2. Now, again, this is a positive or negative quadratic? Oh, it is 2 over 3 because I've got it backwards, isn't it? Silly me. 2 over 3. Yep. Okay. What type of quadratic is this? Smiley face, frowny face. Frowny face, right? The x squared is a negative term. So I know that, first of all, it's going to look like this, isn't it? Right? This is going to be 0. This is going to be 2/3. Make sense? So what I'm trying to do is determine the nature of the stationary point. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually find out the coordinates of the turning points, right? So if x is 0, y is 0, right? Because you just put in x. And then for 2/3, if I put 2/3 into this, whoops, why did I put a bracket there? If I put 2/3 into this formula, I get 4/27. I did that earlier. I didn't just quickly do that in my head. Okay, so I need to know what's going on between these two. So what should I do? Second derivative, right? So second derivative. So I take my derivative and derive it again. What do I get? 6x. Okay. Yeah.
So x-intercepts, right?
Yeah.
Both points of the x-intercepts have y equals 0.
In the derivative, yes. These are the original points. So these are the stationary points, right? Here, you're right. They are 0 because this is the gradient. All right, so what do I do now that I've got my second derivative? Make it equal 0 and see what happens. Okay, so what am I going to do now? Oh, sorry, that's not what I'm doing. I did something stupid. What am I doing? Put in the 2x values. So 2 minus 6 times 0, what is that? 2, obviously. So then I have 2 minus 0. So that is greater than 0. Okay, so that makes it a minimum. And then I have 2 minus 6 times 2/3, which is -2. And that is less than 0. So that tells me that this is a maximum. Now I'm going to go over to, oh, I won't be able to do that. Share. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Anyway, that is going to look like, let me draw it. So one of the turning points is 0, 0. The other turning point is 2/3 and 4/27. So this is actually going to look like, oh gosh, I can't remember what it looks like. It looks like that. Comes down and does that. Okay, I did cheat. Comes down, looks like that. Okay, so you can see that this one here, like we said, get another color. This here is a minimum, and this here is a maximum, just like we predicted. Yay! Right, that is 9.1 and 9.2.